Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will introduce you about new playlist for Siemens PLC S7-300. How we can download and upload the program in Siemens PLC. Little introduction I will give you. This PLC I have in my camera. Also, I will show you. In this PLC, I am using this is MPI cable, and this is my PLC, and model is which model I will show you in picture also easy to visible. This PLC, this is the model number CPU 314IFM, and this is the run and stop button, and this is his family number 3145AE030A B0, and this is the power supply, and this is the power button on and off control. And this PLC have a digital 4 input analog input and 1 analog output, 12 bit DC 24 volt, and 1 input module and 1 output module, digital input 16 and digital output 16 also. Same as this side is the input signals and this side is the output signals. And I will show you in the program how we can upload and download. You have to be use this one MPI adapter, and after you can connect with this PLC. This PLC can see, I will show you. Here you can fix the cable. This is my cable, and this cable you can connect with your PC. And now we will go to our program, and I will open the Semitic manager. If you have already, it's okay. If not already, you have to be installed this Semitic manager, and I will put as a run as administrator. And when this window will be open, after you have to be click finish, because of we will just make a new fresh program, and after you better understand. First step, you have to be go to the PLC, and you have to be click on upload station to PG, and you click this one. After this window will be appear, and you can click on view. If your PLC is connected with your PC, which model and which PLC is connected with the PC, that will be shown here. This model CPU 314IFM is connected with my CPU as per seen in picture. This one CPU 314IFM, this is connected with my CP, and click it OK. What he says, upload station to PG, because the number of rack and the slot of the module could not be determined online. Please enter this information in the following data. What he says, next window will be appear. After you have to be put this some data here and click on view, and must be connect two slots you have used in one PLC and one power supply, and click it OK. Now which program is inside your PLC, that will be backed up. Now you can see your Semitic 301 is now is ready, and you can click on OB, means organization block. This will be open. This program is inside my PLC, that's now open. Another program not have. We will make little bigger of the view after better understand to view. This zoom in and zoom out. Now this is the total full. This program I will be delete all, and I will make the new. And now how you can download and create, I will create a small program here for on and off. For example, I 124.0. This is the starting address of this PLC. Because of some PLCs have different address, but this model IFM, this I will explain you. This model, this is the zero input. This is not the zero, this is the first input, but this zero address is starting from 124. This you have to be remind first. 124 is the first input address, and second, this one we will put one coil. This address also Q start from Q 124.0. This is our first address of our PLC. And second, if you like to one more make insert network, and here we can make the another bit I 124.1. This is our second address of our PLC. And next output also this one Q 124.1 is the output address of our PLC. And when this program is ready, after you like to be download, just simply go to this icon and click on download. And when download would be completed, here will be message came block loaded, means your program is completely downloaded into the PLC. So next you have to be monitor the program. Here when you go to the monitor, after your PLC will be monitored, and here signal will be come at the run. Now your PLC is now run mode, and this icon also you can see this the line will be green. So means this is line is the green, your PLC is now running mode and healthy. So now I like to also I will show you in the camera also. In camera with this I will make it little small and click it, I will make it here. This is my inputs are ready with this PLC, because of this the I make ready already. This all buttons I make for input. This is 16 inputs and this is 16 outputs. This already I will connect with my relay, and I will connect now first one relay I will connect. This is first address 0. This you can see this is the 0 input, and this is my first input address. And as I give the signal at first I0.0 looks I124, you can see our signal is now output is on, and also our relay is also on. When I close this one, this will be closed. You can see this is our signal is running. And now we have to be select for I 124.1. So I will go to the second one, and as I give the signal at I 124.1, after our second output will be on. You can see our second output is now will on off, right? So also this way you can use the download and upload the program with Semitic PLC S7-300. Hope guys you will be understand about this uploading and downloading the program with the Siemens PLC S7-300. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.